Hey everyone, listen up. This offer won't last long. You do not want to miss out on this must-have dress. Check out the WI Hall Women's Long Sleeve Mini Dress. It's a total vibe for your fall wardrobe, trust me. This dress is made from high-quality fabric, super soft, stretchy, and comfy against your skin. It's got this classic form-fitting shape. And that gentle boat neckline? Absolute perfection. You can style it a million ways, no joke. Pair it with strappy heels or over-the-knee boots. Throw on a blazer for that chic look. Available in sizes from S to XL, friendly for all curves. Check the size chart before ordering and slay. Super easy to take care of. Machine or hand wash. Just hang or line dry and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Grab this dress now. Let's make this fall your most stylish season.